It is Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use the replace feature right here in this Google Doc here. Yes. So what we want to do with the replace feature, if you notice the word video right here, we want to replace the word video with photo. But how can we really find it? How can we really do that? Right? So sometimes you may be asked to replace a word, but you don't know exactly what to do. Right? So what we want to focus on, I'm going to replace the word videos to the word photo. So I want to come here to the edit tab. When you click on edit tab, from all the video, you notice a find and replace, you're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, now you can actually put the cursor right here. You can actually move it up and down, just like that. If you notice right here, it's a find. If you don't say replace with what? The match case right here. Match using regular expression. So you kind of slightly different in Microsoft Word, right? So what you want to type here is video. So that's exactly what you want to do. Now we put in video. If you notice right over here, it highlight. Now what you want to replace it with is the word photo. Right? So notice you put the word photo right here. Definitely. If you notice right here, it's a replace. And right here, it's a replace all. So I'm going to click replace all because it's more than one. Right there. And notice, I'm going to click right here. I'm going to close it. Right? I'm going to scroll up. Obviously, up top. Alright, if you notice, it changed the photo. You notice, change the photo. All of them right here, change the photo. All the video, change the photo. Right? So this is how you actually use the replace, the find and replace feature right here in Google Docs. So if you have learned something from this video here, remember to share it with a friend and remember to subscribe.